But the idea behind the course is very, very simple. There's two main aspects to it. One is when the student comes on the course, we help them develop their own personal skills, their own personal creativity, to draw, to design, to make. We also look at the idea of how do you use these skills to help other people. There seems to be a shortage of people trained to work creatively in what we might call a community art setting. A lot of community art involves getting people who maybe are on the margins of society. And what a good collaborative or community artist does is bring them together in a very creative, enjoyable process. We like to teach practical, technical skills with our students as well. It's based on the old idea of what a foundation course used to be. A foundation course was a kind of a course that we used to be done in the first year of art school, giving students a taster of different materials and techniques and so they can make informed decisions about where they might take their creative direction. You might say I'm biased, but I think it's well worth considering.